Damn. Are you listening?
Hey YouTube, what's up guys? Today quick look, check this out. Just got it from Amazon. It comes as a bare tool. You don't get the battery with it, so you're gonna buy the battery separated, but they come in 2-pack for I think like $123. But check out the blade. Sideways. Right here on the side here. Take it out, put it straight so you can cut both ways. Your battery on here. 20 volts, you can't go wrong with this. Really nice. So like I said again, yeah, take this out, like this, like this. This is the DCS 380. Check it out on Amazon. I'll leave all the link and the description for you guys down below. Charlie, like and subscribe. I'm out.
Damn. Are you listening?